Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a TikTok message from both sides. So guys, if you want to delete a message from both sides on TikTok, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. Here you can see this. If you open any chat and if you send any message from here like this, here you can see this, the message is sent, and if you want to delete it from both sides, then you have to simply press and hold this message, and after this you have to simply tap on delete for all. So guys, here you can see this. Once you tap on delete for all, after this the message will be deleted from both sides. So guys, here you can see this. In this way you can also delete a message on TikTok from both sides. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.